my name's Joanne. I've been coming to Dr. Mordar for a few years for various reasons, but the most recent one was for a syndrome called burning mouth syndrome. I had developed this burning in my mouth and on my tongue and on my gums and my lips, and I'd gone to 2 dermatologists, a dentist, 2 other regular GPs, and a neurologist. Nobody could tell me what they thought it was herpes. They thought it was different things like that. Medications didn't do any good. So when I finally found out I was sent to a neurologist, he said he didn't know, and then he said, "Oh, wait just a minute. I think I might know what it is." He came back and said, "About 15 years ago, I heard of this syndrome called burning mouth syndrome." And he printed out on the computer everything about it, and it had everything on there, even things that I had forgot to tell him about was listed on here. Only bad thing was, he said, was there's no cure. It'll just have to work its way out. Could take up to a year, maybe longer, could come back. So I came back to Dr. Mordar and asked him if he'd ever heard of it, and he said yes, and this is what you need to do. My whole diet changed, and he gave me some herbal remedies to take along with it, and it's gone. Initially I came here because I had lupus and fibromyalgia, but up until just recently there's still no signs of lupus. So, and I don't take any medications, and a lot of it is just, your diet has to change. But eventually, when you see how well the alternative medicine works, now you look at the other drugs and you think, because all those other drugs are going to have another side effect, because it may help the problem that you are fighting, but there's a really good chance that it's going to trigger something else to go wrong somewhere. So yeah, but I think it's just because you're such a creature of habit. You go to the doctors, they give you a prescription, you go home, you take it, and you're all better. But it doesn't usually get rid of the problem. It puts a Band-Aid on it, but eventually that problem's going to come back. So, and with this, you change your way of thinking, you change your way of eating, and it brings a lot of changes into your life, and you see things a lot better. And I work for a doctor, so, and I know she feels that, and I know that what she does is, and she helps people. She's a great lady, and she does, but they're taught to the Western medicine, and so that's what they so firmly believe in. So, but I am proof that alternative medicine does work. So, and I'm very happy about that. So, my daughter worked on a client that she had that had come to Dr. Mordar and had brought her son to Dr. Mordar. And she came home, she goes, "Mom, you've got to go see this doctor." She goes, "I think he can help you." This is when I had lupus and fibromyalgia. So I did, and I've been coming here ever since.